guys, what's up? It's me again, Magista, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell below to get updated on my latest videos. For today's vlog, I will be transforming my old pair of shoes, to a glamorous and sparkly shoes. Without further discussion, let's get into the video. So, I'm here again, and in transforming this old pair of shoes, we just need two materials.
Actually, we need 3 materials, but it's in the last procedure because I don't have it yet when I film this.
Let's start with this one. So, this is a glue, and it's only 12 pesos. Ayan, hindi siya masyado makita, pero 12 pesos lang siya. And next is this silver and sparkling particles. This is the glitter, so I will use it to transform my shoes, and it's only 5 pesos, kaya dinalo ko na siya. If kulang pa siya,
Actually, we need 15
bibili na lang
glitters.
ulit ako. Okay, first we need to put the glue all over the shoes. Like, we need to cover it with glue. Unahin muna natin tong side nito dahil nga pag lahat na natin siya baka matuyo, sayang. So, let's use our hand. Kung ayaw nyo, use nyo yung glue na iganyan siya. Pero gagamitin ko yung kamay ko para mas madali.
Just make sure to coat every part of the shoe.
After we glue that part, let's add this glitter.
Quick story.
We're going to buy anti-radiation glasses because of my brother. And ayun, sumama na rin ako to buy glitters and some cuties, which is colorless cuties, because I need it in my project. So bear with me, guys. I look like broke today.
Honestly, I am disappointed with the glitters that I bought because there is a white particles. I think it's sand that is being mixed with the glitters. After coating it with the glitters, we need to wait until it dry. Okay, you just need to apply the first and the second procedure to the other pair of your shoe. Wait until it dry. So you can definitely see here that I double coated my shoe with glue and glitters again because there are some parts that are thin and you can still see my old shoe. This is optional. If you want to try this on your home, my advice is to find super thick glue and a nice glitters if you don't want to get disappointed and waste your time double coating it. Okay, we are not yet done. So we need to move on in the third procedure and the third material for the glitters to stay in the shoe and not fall.
So, ang last step na gagawin natin after nitong matuyo is we're going to put this nail polish, which is colorless, to this. Ilalagay natin dito. So, I bought 2 of this para magkasya siya. And matipid siya kasi na-try ko na siya dito. So, 25 ang isa niya. Ayun, 50 pesos ang dalawa. Malamang. So, I bought this for only 25 pesos. Ayun. Kung may mura pa naman siguro nito, kayong mabibili. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan.
So this time, you need to cover it with a nail polish, which is colorless. Make sure to apply minimal nail polish in all parts of the shoe. And if you will encounter this, which is the glitters are being erased, you need to add glitters again to that part and polish it again. It is necessary to apply the nail polish minimally because it may look like this. You can see in the shoes that it's like a rough texture and it's not good looking. It should be polished like this. So guys, if you don't want to repeat gluing and glittering it all over again, apply the nail polish minimally. And we need a wet cotton here or piece of clothing that is wet to clean the part that has a stain of glitters. So let's goodbye to our old shoes here and welcome our old shoes also but in a new version. So I really love the result of my project here. And so when I check Christian Louboutin shoes, it's $500 and when it converts to Philippine peso, it's 24,273.23 pesos. And that's a lot of money. However, I DIY it for only 137 Philippine peso and when it convert to US dollar, it's 2.82 USD. So I also check from Lazada, even it's not a designer shoe, but it's also a glitter and it's 1,399 peso. Thanks Google. Let's try and test it if the glitters will not fall.
Can we see? Just a little glitter. Oh, that's not a glitter. That's a glitter. Just a little glitter.
Okay, let's give time to myself appreciating my work.
The heck? This is so freaking amazing. Like amazing. Amazing. Amazing.
Sorry about my
zing,
voice.
Zing, zing. So, ayun ang finished product. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you guys for watching and ayun nga, I'm thinking to paint it red because I've seen a product like this which is color red yung baba niya. So, ayun ito siya. Ayan. You can also add beads or ribbon in this or anything else na gusto nyo i-add sa sapatos. So, you can nail your prom moments with your shoes, with your amazing shoes. So, for only 137, I think, pesos, I'll keep this. So, kung may importante akong lalakaran, so I will definitely wear this. So, thank you guys for watching and happy 100 subscriber to us. Please do keep watching me. Subscribe to my channel. And I hope that you learned something from me again. And bye.